Okay, hi guys, so today I'll be showing you a Rebirth trick. That's why I suppose it's called. So this is me, I got 7.26 billion, and I'm on like 401. And this will help you get the most rebirths you can, and I'll be doing it a little bit here, so yeah, the rebirth trick is pretty cool. My friend Monkey and Prologue is here. Don't have any other friends that are like high up. But I've got Anime Boy. Yeah, he's one of my friends too. That's like and I will not show you like any glitch. I don't know how to do glitches. You see, like these people did, unless they did the money, like got the money legit. But I don't think they got it. And then yeah, I'm really close to being on the leaderboard for rebirths. If I do this trick, I'll roughly be maybe somewhere here because it'll give me around 100 rebirths. Maybe 100 rebirths, maybe a bit more. So yeah. Okay, so what you do, you have to have another account. I'll join in a minute. It's on my tablet, by the way, so you can't see it. So it's joining currently. I'll show you my account. Yeah, here, so X connects Josh too, so that's my other account. Top. So let it just walk in front of me. And what you do is you transfer, so you sell everything first of all. So I'll do that in a minute. Someone in front of me. A lot of people have been selling the trades, I think. Okay, yeah. It's coming here. Okay. So now, go to inventory, unlock all your stuff. So unlock this. And this is not a joke or anything, it actually does work. So sell. Oh no, because I have to unlock them first. Okay, unlock and sell all. And now you have like, okay, 7.7 billion cash. That's how much I have. This is proof I sold everything. See my cash here. So now what you do is, on your other account, you have to list something from your inventory for a lot, so for the money that you have. So how much do I need to 40 million. So I'll list 7.769 Bam. And now that's listed. I'm going to market and buy the thing. Bam. You have enough money to, yeah, my other account has 7.692. Now you have enough money to rebirth. Now what you do is, this is the main part of the glitch. You go into cases, you open a crap case, so here, and then you can check how much, like if you don't remember, 40.2 mil. Okay, then you go into inventory, then you list it for the price, 40.2, and then done. Yeah, I listed that, and bam, you buy it on another account, and you can just rebirth again and again and again. So I'll do it a few more times because yeah. So just so I show you how it works and everything. Add to market, free. So yeah. And by the way, no, like profit is guaranteed, but it's not like. But I got profit from all of this because for this rebirth you probably get like 30k gems. Like if you're like me, if you can rebirth like if you're on like 400 or something, then yeah, I'll probably get like I don't know 30,000 gems, and then I'll just spend it all on 45 gem cases of godlies because it's really worth it, and that's how and then I'll sell and then until you're rich and all that stuff. So, I mean, it's really worth it. I made 7 billion profit, so all the money I had, in this thing, sold, all the money that I had, like in this video, I made it from yesterday to today, and just repeat this process until you have no money left on your other account, and yeah, you'll be able to most likely. So let me just calculate it. 40, let's say 40 million rebirth, 100 times that'll be roughly, let's say 4 to 4.5 billion. And yeah, you'll be able to rebirth maybe 120, 150 times if you're on mine thing. But if you, because yeah, the more money you have, the more times you can rebirth and everything. It's like, okay, yeah. So this method, it won't be unpatchable because then they'll ban selling on market, something like that. So yeah, but it is a really good method to do, and I'm gonna be on the leaderboard soon on the Rebirth leaderboard. So let's just okay, so 4:30. Okay, let's just do my method until I'm on the leaderboard, and I'll end the video there, guys. And by the way, guys, if you liked the video, yeah, leave a like, subscribe, because I'm posting this to help you all, guys. Because I discovered this to do this like a few days ago. First, I started doing it with my friend. If you do it with a friend, it might be a bit quicker, but I'm not sure because I've done it with a friend a few times, and I've done it like by myself. So yeah, the most I've done it with a friend is like 700 million together. And I gave him like 100 million because he's life 70, something like that. So I gave him like, I did the glitch for him until there was like 100 million left for him, and then yeah, we did it. So you see, I'm actually rebirthing pretty fast here if you think about it. Normally you just have to get it like grind and everything. This will work for any person, like any life, unless you're like, I don't know. Then, unless you have no money, right? And I've spent no Robux on this game. I don't have skip animation. I just press skip. It's worth it if you have like a lot of gems. It's not worth to buy skip animation because you could just spend gems on this. So yeah, I'm almost on the leaderboard. 3 more lives, and I'm wondering how long it will take to update the leaderboard. So yeah, but if you have any problems, leave your name down in the description, and I don't know, I'll help you do the glitch, or I'll give you some tips. And if you want some tips on this game, I'll be making another video. But you can always leave a comment and I'll reply as quick as possible. Today, I won't be that busy. I'll be going partying later on, but especially from that, it'll be alright. No, I won't be busy. So yeah, okay. I'll try and get 414 likes. So yeah, inventory, market, 4, 2, 3, 0. Obviously, it will take some time to finish this off, but it's worth it. It's worth the time, in my opinion. And especially like for the gems that you have. Back in the day, you could do this awesome glitch where you probably guys might think what the percentage is. So I'll explain what they are. Some of you probably know what they are. So I think it's 101%. So basically, you could get way more gems if you had like 1,000,000%, something like that. Bam, inventory, a thing. Bam, I'm on, see, leaderboard. I'm on the leaderboard now. Well, okay. Yeah, guys, so I won't stretch it to 10 minutes, so yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great time, and see ya. Peace.